Okay. So now you have to give a name on the top left.
Okay, which name? Yeah.
Go to top left. No, don't click on the drop down. Just click on the H3. Yeah, double click on the cell. I have highlighted that cell in the screenshot, right? I click there. Give a name. Say,
Which name?
YTD pricing. What is that name? Something. Give a name to that.
Okay.
Okay. Hit enter. Hit enter from your keyboard. Okay. So now save this Excel sheet
Okay.
and close it. We'll connect to this.
Okay. Okay, go to the back if you don't want to.
I need to work cookie. Like
Okay. Now connect to this file.
I
Okay. Select second option, named range.
I
The second
need to work cookie.
go on. So drop down
You
NAV. Now
need to
select.
work cookie.
Do what, Chuck?
You
Yeah,
need
select
to
that
work
NAV. NAV. Okay. Press OK.
Yes.
cookie.
Go find it.
Okay. Now you can use the configurations from the first workflow, like whatever the configuration we defined in the first workflow, which you saved, right?
Okay,
Transpose,
so
cross tab. Use the same configuration and then you
what
can
was
pivot
the
the data.
transpose?
Yeah. Check your first workflow if for those configurations. Okay, check it configurations what we have selected there.
Yeah, transpose, cross tab, and select.
Transpose. Okay, in transpose what we have selected options, just take it.
Do what?
Go to your first workflow and
Okay.
see what configurations we have selected. So that will come to know. Okay, so field
This
one we
was
have
through like
selected.
a input text. This was through input text, not input data.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
I said the first workflow was through an input text, not an input data. Or
Yeah, I
text
know that.
input.
So what I'm telling you is just check the configuration and use the same thing in the second workflow.
Okay, where do I check the configuration? I already click on it.
Yeah, here on the left side. Left side,
Yeah,
like
that's what I'm.
field one.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying here. There's not much to check.
Yeah. Okay. Go back. We already checked it, right? Okay, go back to your workflow and use key columns as long
Yes.
comp name. Use key long comp name as your key column.
Okay.
And can you go back to your Excel? Let's check what are the field values we have. And the
This.
BBID. So BBID is should be your another key column.
But it doesn't appear here, right?
It will be there. Just select in the drop. It's not there.
No, it's not.
Why it's not there? It should be there. Yeah. Check in the data columns. Is there any BBID here?
No.
Um,
Yes, baby. Yes.
Okay, can you just run it? We'll see what data it has brought in the input tool first. So check the output of input tool. No, check
The output of the
tool.
input tool, you say?
Yeah, input tool. Yeah, right. Okay, so it has got this BBID in under the long comp name
Right.
as
Right.
a.
Exactly. That's what
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, so all of these are
key column.
key columns. And where is long comp name? It didn't. It made it as.
And using long com name as a key column. I don't know why. No.
Okay. So it is doing that. Okay, so let's do one thing. Can you drag a little bit down the configurations of input data left side? There are more options. Let's see what we can do there. Yeah, drag that. We have more options. Let's see those options. Start data.
That's a column. Right.
Go to the last option in that
Right.
configuration options. Go to the last option.
Okay. Last option. Welcome.
And remove that start. Yeah, go to last option.
Down.
Yes, go down.
Okay.
Remove that one value from the 7 option.
This one.
Yeah, remove that. And run your workflow now. Let's see. Okay, check the output of input data tool, what it displays now. Click on anchor. Shows the same
Okay.
thing.
Right.
Or long term value. It's not capturing. So, okay, haha, okay. So it made that as headers.
Right. Right.
Made it as headers. Okay. So now what we have to do, uh, okay. So again, go to the configuration and drop down.
Okay.
Go to the last and start data import on line type 0 and try to run this now. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so again, this is the problem. So we need to, what we can do here. Okay, so we can go to Excel. Can you drag this configuration window and make it bigger so that you don't have to drag and drop?
Like this?
No, not like this. The downwards, towards downwards, between data and the configuration. Yeah. Okay, so output field, record limit, first row contains data. First row contains, okay, check that box. First row contains data. The sixth option. Okay, yeah, run this workflow now.
Put this one as 1 or leave it as 0.
No, just run it. Okay, check the output. Okay, now we are good.
No.
This is how it should display. Yeah. Now we are good.
But
Now
this
you
should be
can
the
use,
header.
yeah,
Long is it should be a header.
yeah, this should not be header. This should come under the values.
Like if
So
you
by
see the
default, it's
Excel
the
file.
long comp name as the headers.
Yes, you got to be the header.
Okay. So now, yeah, we can use the same configuration, make F1 as key value and all other fields F2, F3, etc. should be data values in the transpose tool. So now we are good with the input data tool.
Okay.
Change the configuration of transpose tool. Select F1 as key column and all others as data columns. Okay. Now run this workflow. Let's see. Okay, now we are good. So this is how it should display.
Now, look, Sean.
Yeah, this is right.
No, it should be Longhorn and display this value down.
Yeah, that's right. We have to use one more tool, cross tab, to set this right.
Also drag the cross tab.
Yes, yes. Okay, so now check the configuration. How did we use in the first workflow? Let's check there. Go to cross tab. Okay, name. We grouped by name and then
Yes.
used. No need to. Okay, first group by name and there is one more configuration that you need to select. Second one,
Value.
field one and value. So key columns, you should select key column F1 and value. Yeah.
Guys, you down there.
Check the
okay.
output.
Sit down there.
Okay, now we are good.
Guys, sit down
It has
there.
got all those into pivot. Now you can use select and remove the first column. That will be
Why don't you think this?
use select and remove the first column, that is name, and then we are good now. And you can arrange these
Okay, how
columns.
do I arrange it?
Can you drag that configuration window a little bit wider? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now first uncheck the name.
Okay. I'm busy. I'm working.
Now select long comp name. Select, hit on
Where
the
is it?
select that.
You selected.
Not check uncheck. Let it be checked. Just keep it selected. So there is a blue line you are appearing, right? So
Right.
you select that, it should appear a blue line. And on the top, you select arrows, up and down arrows. Just go a little bit up. You see arrows at the top of
Yeah,
the
okay.
configuration. Yeah. Yeah, hit that arrow, move up. So this is how you can arrange it. So you can arrange it, then you can start using it. Okay. Okay, so you try to work on this further.